the Philippine Constitution, obey the laws of the land, and promote respect for the legal process in the criminology profession? Do you pledge to engage only in legal, moral, and ethical conduct as a registered criminologist? Will you at all times uphold public interest over your personal interest? Do you vow to act with dignity, fairness, and sincerity towards all individuals in your encounter in your profession? Will you commit to avoid any conflict of interest that could compromise professional integrity or create the appearance of impropriety? Parang hindi naiintindihan. Diba? So, uulitin natin kasi kailangan malakas yung I do. Do you commit to avoid any conflict of interest that could compromise professional integrity or create the appearance of impropriety? Do you promise to protect the criminology professions from individuals not qualified to practice the profession? Will you refrain from undermining or maligning the honor, reputation, or professional work of fellow criminologists? Do you commit to lifelong learning and staying abreast of current trends and developments in the criminology profession? Do you understand that you must practice the profession within the scope of existing laws, rules, and regulations? Will you at all times observe fairness in dealing with your clients, in dealing with your stakeholders? Will you refrain from any direct or indirect involvement in unlawful, dishonest, immoral, or deceitful acts? Do you promise not to commit plagiarism or inappropriate take credit for any intellectual property of another? Will you ensure that you do not engage the practice of the profession with an expired, suspended, or revoked certificate of registration, professional identification card? Do you pledge not to tolerate or allow the illegal practice of criminology by an unregistered or unauthorized person? And lastly, do you commit to not securing through misrepresentation or fraudulent means any official document such as your certificate of registration and professional identification card? So, kompleto na. Yan po ay iluhan natin sa Code of Ethics. So, with that very loud and clear responses from each and every registered or to be registered criminologist, I believe that you are affirming that commitments and you are accepting the responsibilities and ethical obligations that will define a registered criminologist of this country. So may you always practice your profession with integrity, competence, and a deep sense of integrity. We are now ready to recite the oath of professionals. Please take hold of your invitation that you have and raise your right hand